Welcome back to a new video. Today, I just want to say thank you. It's like we've reached an incredible milestone. We have reached 1,000 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. I could never imagine in my wildest dreams that we're gonna get to the point where 1,000 people will be watching the content that I'm putting out. It's just insane, humbling, and I want to thank you. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being there, supporting me, and hitting that subscribe button. This is absolutely amazing. I mean, when I first started out, it's like I just wanted to create content. I thought it was fun to just film myself and just put it on YouTube. I liked the entire process, but I could never imagine that I'm gonna get to the point where 1,000 people will decide to just hit that subscribe button. And this video is basically a thank you note. And because I believe that everyone who supports their favorite creator, business, entrepreneur should be rewarded in a way or another, I decided to give back to you. And this is how I'm planning to do that. So what I've been doing in the last couple of months while I was absent from YouTube is that I've been trying to create this platform called UXLab.Academy. And this project basically is a platform where I'm gonna share all the knowledge that I gathered throughout my decade of experience working as a UX UI designer, working with different companies, building my own companies and startups. What I wanna do is in this place, I wanna just dump everything that I've learned and just put it on this platform. So I can help people who aspire to become UX designers or product designers to just like get from zero knowledge to basically their first job. So that is the aim of this platform. So if you're interested in this, I would suggest you to pause this video right now, go to UXLab.Academy, fill in your details. You're gonna receive an email with a link to our Slack community. And then afterwards, basically that's it. You're gonna be also rewarded with a gift once the platform is launched next year. But till then, obviously, because you're gonna be in the Slack community, we're gonna chat a lot, we're gonna interact, and I'm gonna try to bring as much value to you as possible. So the Slack channel community that we're creating basically is gonna be like a family. And the reason I'm building this is to be able to help each other. That's why for now, I'm only gonna open it to 100 people, and then afterwards, that's it. I'm gonna close down the community. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna open the community in the future, so we will need to see how things evolve. But for now, I will only allow 100 people to get into the community, and then afterwards, I want to evolve the community with them. And with this short announcement done, thank you again for being part of this amazing community. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. And also, if you're amongst the first 100 who got that link, I'm gonna see you on Slack. Take care.